A newly married couple has come on their honeymoon and is now relaxing inside a floating wooden house in the middle of the sea. After resting for a while, the husband wakes up, freshens up, and decides to take a bath in the ocean. But suddenly, a giant octopus appears and attacks him in the water. Frightened, he quickly climbs back onto the floating wooden house to save himself. After somehow catching the octopus, the husband and wife come up with a new plan. They decide to turn it into a special recipe for the day. Together, they prepare a delicious octopus fry and enjoy the meal with happiness, turning a scary experience into a memorable honeymoon adventure. Now, the octopus is being washed thoroughly, cleaned properly, and carefully prepared for cooking. Meanwhile, the husband is heading toward the seaside to collect a fresh coconut from a coconut tree. That coconut will be added to today's recipe to make the dish even richer and more delicious. Now, the wife is collecting some fresh vegetables and a few spice ingredients from the potted plants on the balcony of their house. These fresh ingredients will be used to complete today's special cooking. Now all the spice pastes are being placed together in a large bowl. Then a few dry spices are added, including red chili powder, turmeric powder, and drumstick leaf powder. After that, onion paste, green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, and a little tomato sauce are mixed in. Once everything is fully combined, the rich spice mixture is carefully coated all over the octopus. After finishing all the preparation, they are now ready to start cooking. The husband places a large pot on the stove and lights the fire, while the wife pours in enough oil. Once the oil becomes hot, the marinated octopus is carefully placed into the pot and fried beautifully until it turns rich and flavorful. At this moment, water is being mixed into the flour and carefully kneaded into a soft, smooth dough to prepare fresh, homemade flatbreads. These warm breads will be served alongside the octopus fry, creating a meal that is juicy, spicy, flavorful, and absolutely mouthwatering. Now that all the cooking is complete, the husband and wife will sit together and enjoy their delicious octopus fry with fresh flatbreads. The meal tastes incredibly flavorful and satisfying to them. After finishing their food, they will take some time to rest and relax. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to our Mini Crumb Kitchen YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss more exciting videos like this.